Pakistan was ranked as one of the top travel destinations for 2025. We are the Blazing Travelers, and after reaching 40 countries, traveling on a budget, maximizing, we got the chance to go to some Pakistani markets, go to the beach in Karachi, eat some amazing Pakistani food like some Pakistani barbecue, and even go to some fine dining establishments. We went around the mall, bought some traditional clothing, and Frere Hall. If you haven't checked out our summary video, go watch that after this video. But today we are exploring a local Pakistani shopping mall.
So as you can see, we made it here to Clifton Mall. The first thing I noticed was the beautiful fabrics and all the shiny jewelry.
But what caught my eye was this phone case vendor. They had privacy screens and screen protectors, which were about $1 each. Mine ended up being the wrong one because it didn't have a thumbprint area, but it worked for what it was. Obviously, they tried to upsell us to like phone cases and stuff. This kind of reminded me of like Chatuchak Market in Bangkok, but with the amount of people inside the market, it reminded me of like the Philippines.
Lisa, all these fabrics right here, is it like you pretty much just choose the fabric and then they make the...
So basically you get yards. You get fabric by the yards,
Okay.
and then you take it to the darzi, which is the tailor.
Okay.
And they'll give you, if you tell them, okay, this is what I want to make.
Yeah.
They at the tailors, it depends what you want to make, but they're really quick here, so I would say like 2 weeks max.
Okay.
They try to tell you to like give them a month.
Yeah.
It's like 2 weeks.
Okay. So it's either you pick your fabric, get it made, or you just buy it made.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you either buy ready-made or you buy fabric to stitch.
Yeah. This is our friend Kalisa, who we're visiting here in Karachi, by the way.
Assalamu alaikum.
What she said.
Yeah, and then you would say,
Wait, what market are we on?
We're
Golf?
at Golf by Bazar.
Sorry, go. Say that again?
We're at Gulf Market, which is by Tin Talar in Clifton. And I'm showing her basically where you can get fabric and jewelry. We were talking about getting fabric by the yard and then getting it stitched by a tailor for whatever outfit you like. Whether that's Eastern or Western,
Love it. Here's our baby chilling.
Okay, and this right here is pretty normal, but you might be freaking out. That semi-automatic or automatic rifle you see right there, something that security normally will have in like developing nations. So I've seen this in like the Philippines, I've seen this in Central America, and then you'll see it here in Pakistan. Any place like a mall that has a lot of money going in and out, you'll see armed security. Similarly, if you go to like Puerto Rico, you'll see gates in the front of people's houses. It's perfectly normal. I've seen a few people freak out.
How much does like real gold cost here?
Oh, so right now gold is super expensive.
Okay.
Gold is the most expensive it's ever been.
Yeah.
So I think per gram, it's like 300,000 rupees. That's all fabric. This is all fabric.
Ooh.
That's all fabric.
So I'm pretty sure she meant 30,000 because in today's time, that's $107.
They're trying to negotiate right now jewelry. Did you get a discount?
1,000 rupees off.
Okay. Okay, girl. That's so far. That's who she's buying it from. Let me see.
I know what I like about
I don't know. I don't hate it.
Or this one.
That one brightens you up. You look happy with that one.
Oh, I like this one.
Let me see. Let me see.
I like this.
Yeah.
This is my vibe.
Yeah. It's like classy, but a little bit like grunge. I don't know what it is. Yeah. So we got 4 pairs of earrings for about $10 USD. This one.
$10 USD, $10 United States dollar. That's basically what you just said.
USD is what I meant, but not bad. We started out at 13. You could only go down to 10. To be honest, I probably could have gotten like 8, but it's okay. Don't want to negotiate too hard because they got, mouths to feed as well.
So unfortunately, we only got that content there, but we did catch this weekend market, so you can watch this in the summary video, which will be posted down below and at the end. But because we didn't do much, we will definitely be back to continue exploring some more of the local markets more, and then go into like the countryside. So if you want that to happen, leave us a comment and let us know where we should go when we come back to Pakistan.